Up we go.
The app that we've developed provides a platform for clients to store all the data regarding their boat, so we can have all the running rigging specification on there, load summaries, dock tunes, sail crossover charts, and all that stuff's obviously cloud-based, so they can access this from their phone, from a tablet, from a laptop. What we're trying to do is give one access point to all this information, so it's kind of easy to monitor and access. So this is the Rigging Projects app loaded with the information for Allegra. We've got the running rigging, where we store all the items on board, so the different lines, all the different strops and loops, how many there are, the part numbers, the brake load, max working load, but most importantly when they were installed, so we can log basically when it needs to be replaced. And if you ever need to check that on anything, hit on the barcode scanner, find the barcode, it'll beep, it'll pull up the item, and then you've got all the details there. Capside lower strops. It's got the finished line, colours, who built it, when it was built, when it needs to be replaced. The app's made a huge difference to us internally because we've now got a system which is fully cloud-based, so I can be on a boat in China making a loop and record the details using my phone as I build it, and it all gets stored. To show you an example of how we use the app on like a daily basis in the workshop here, we've got the home page, which has all the different areas that we kind of store information in. We've got this is essentially the production list that we're running through now, so it has all the items that we have to build. So I'm going to enter the build details in the app. Obviously, whoever's building the item can see exactly how to build it, so everything we make is identical. And then we can scan the barcode using the tablet's camera. So that stores that there. We also record the reel number of the core that we use in the strop, just because this ties into obviously our supplier's batch as well. Also at this stage, obviously we record the build date, which then gives us a way to monitor when it's kind of gone onto the yacht and when it should be replaced. We've got boats all over the world and people working on them, taking on things like new running rigging and servicing items, so this enables us to kind of track what we have to do for each client. One aspect you see a lot in the industry is the kind of transient nature of crew, and the boats obviously can go through a range of captains and deckhands and owners, and what essentially we're supplying, I guess, is a service where the history of the boat regarding like the rigging and the mast and sail handling systems is all logged really, so it's kind of like having a service book for your car. Because we did develop it in-house, we can kind of adapt the app as we go forward, which is pretty exciting.